Alright, so I'm back with another quick guide on how you look up providers on your Medicare plan. Next, we're going to go over Aetna's Medicare plans and how we look the providers up on that one. So, as always, you can always start with Google and just search Aetna Medicare. I'm actually looking for AetnaMedicare.com. So, there's looks like to be a little bit further down. They have got tons of links here. AetnaMedicare.com. Let's just go to this link right here. And we've got a link here. Usually at the top, we've got a section for members. So we can go here to members. And then we can go to find a doctor or hospital. You can look find a dentist or find a nurse. So let's go to find a doctor or hospital. Now you can log in if you're already a member, but if you're a guest, you can go straight to the guest tool. This is actually what I use because I don't have a login. So we're going to look for an individual Medicare plan. You're going to put in your zip code. So we're just going to use the office zip code for educational purposes. And it's going to do its little load thing, and we're going to repeat some of this information. So we're going to search, let's say, Medicare Advantage plans. And let's say we want to search this PPO plan, just for example. We're going to look up medical providers. Let's go to Find Care. And then here we've got some criteria. We can either type a doctor's name in right here, or we can look up maybe a list of all the different medical doctors and specialists, hospitals, urgent care facilities, walk-in, mental health care, number of different tools. So let's just show you, let's look up by a doctor. So let's see Dr. Warren. We're looking for Dr. Charles Warren. So we've got a few Warrens here. We've got a drop down and then we see 6 more providers. Let's do Dr. Scott Warren. So it's going to load it up, and here he is, show it in network, and the addresses that he has an office in network. We can actually click on, he's a dermatologist, talks about his specialists, address, contact information. We can also click on his name and get a little more details here. So roughly how far away from the zip code that we were searching, and our zip code criteria is right here. We can make a change if we need to, or change your plan. We've got office information. He's not accepting any new patients, so that's important to know. Hospital affiliations, any other offices, talks about his experience, when he graduated. We've got one review on here right now, and plan and network information. So some of this will have some details and some of it won't, but that's how we search a doctor specifically by name. We can also return to our search. Let's start a new search, and let's look up a primary care doctor. So I just went to doctor, or hit primary care providers, and let's just search all primary care physicians, and it should organize them in closest to furthest in relation to this zip code. And here we've got a list of some here. So we got First Coast Family Practice. Let's open that up. And we should see some information, office information. They are accepting new patients, experience. Find doctors associated with this group. We can click here. And we should see a couple different doctors that are in this office. So here we go. So we've got a Dr. Terry Hashey, and these are the 2 offices that are located here. Their Aetna provider number and primary care ID number for Aetna. That's how we look up doctors here in your plan. You can also look up urgent care providers, durable medical equipment providers, pharmacies, walk-in clinics. You can search a number of different things in labs. But that's how we look up our providers on our Aetna Medicare plan. Thank you. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm here to help. My name's Jake Purvis, and I look forward to working with you in the future.